Writer's Workshop at home will look a little bit different than Writer's Workshop at school. But you'll always start the same way that the students do at school. And eventually, I will have Miss Megan take a video of us at school so you can see what Writer's Workshop at school looks like. Each day, we'll come over to the rug at school with our writing folders. You also have a writing folder at home. And I will give a mini lesson about what we're writing on or what we're learning about in Writer's Workshop that day. And so while I'm giving that lesson, the students will have to sit quietly, crisscross applesauce, and listen. This will just take a few minutes, and then we'll have a time when we decide it's time to write. Well, I'm going to begin by writing. I will write on my big easel or draw on my easel, whatever lesson we're learning about. Say we're writing personal narratives and I'm writing a story to entertain my audience. So I will make an example and I will write a story on my board and I'll share it with the students. At that point, then I will give the students their own piece of writing paper, and you also have the exact same type of writing paper in your folder. The students in class will go back to their seats. I'll set a timer, and each day we'll build up our stamina, but we'll start out probably with 5 minutes or so, and students will be given 5 minutes of time to write. During that time, they won't be allowed to talk. They won't be able to get up and walk around, but they'll have to write for the whole time. And at the end of that time, I will pick a couple of students and I'll share their writing with the whole class. After we've shared their writing with the whole class, then they'll meet with their writing partner, and the writing partner will tell them what things about their writing they like and what things they need to improve. So that is the model for Writer's Workshop. That's how it will look at school. At home, it might be different. So what you'll do is for the first part, for the mini lesson, you'll listen to my presentation. It'll be a short video, no more than 5 minutes, about what we're learning in Writer's Workshop. And then you'll be listening. The next step will be to try it out. So it'll be your turn to write. So at home, you'll set your timer or whatever plan you've established for your Writer's Workshop at home, and you'll write. And you'll write the entire time, just like the kids in class. And when your time is up, you'll share your writing. You could take a picture and share it with me if you want to, or you can just share it with your mom or dad. Now, moms and dads might be a little bit more critical than Mrs. Plowman, because I'm not concerned about whether you have every word spelled correctly. I'm not concerned whether it's perfect. I'm concerned with you making improvement. So each day you write, I want to see some improvement. And as the workshop goes on, we'll start making goals for ourselves and start setting goals that you can reach personally. And you'll be able to look at your own writing and say, did I meet my goal? Whatever your goal is. So today, just talk about what your Writer's Workshop's going to look like at home and how you're going to set this up and how long you plan to write. And if you just plan to share it with your mom or you want to send it to Mrs. Plowman and share it with me, just establish your routines and discuss what it will look like at home.